We're here at the Metolius Balancing Rocks, west side of the Lake Billy Chinook complex. And just straight ahead, a couple tents, it's an informational placard about the geological history of the Deschutes Basin and an overlook of Metolius arm of Lake Billy Chinook and the incredible Metolius Balancing Rocks. Let's go do it. That is gorgeous, my friend. We're here in the west quadrant of the Lake Billy Chinook complex, Metolius River Arm. You can see expansive views in every direction. This is a high desert canyon wonderland. Hopefully you can't see why. This particular hike's claim to fame is what's called the Metolius Balancing Rocks. See that on Google Maps. Just before you get to South Campground and Monte Campground, west side of Lake Billy Chinook. Looks like we got an informational placard coming up. We're here in the Metolius Balancing Rocks, west side of the Lake Billy Chinook complex. I'll pause that if you want to read that. And look at that! That is gorgeous! We've got the Metolius arm of Lake Billy Chinook snaking down below. But I think most importantly, we have these awesome rocks balancing. These are massive rocks, cairn style. This, my friend, is the Stonehenge of Jefferson County. This is awesome.